This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a mirror on a Ram 1500. First, gather your tools, such as a trim removal tool, a ratchet, and various sockets. It's crucial to disconnect your truck's battery before starting any electrical work. Make sure your new mirror is the correct type for your vehicle, matching all features like power adjust and heating elements. This preparation ensures a smooth replacement process. Now, let's remove the old mirror. Using your trim removal tool, carefully pry off the interior door panel trim piece that covers the mirror's mounting bolts. Once exposed, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the tab and pulling it apart. Then, use a socket wrench to remove the 3 or 4 nuts securing the mirror to the door frame. Support the mirror as you remove the last nut. Installing your new mirror is straightforward. Guide the new mirror onto the door studs, ensuring it sits flush against the door. Hand tighten the 3 or 4 mounting nuts, then use your socket wrench to tighten them securely, but do not over-tighten. Next, reconnect the electrical harness, making sure it clicks firmly into place. This ensures all power functions will operate correctly. For the final steps, carefully reattach the interior trim panel, aligning all clips and pressing firmly until it snaps securely into position. Reconnect your vehicle's battery terminals, ensuring a tight connection. Finally, turn on your truck and thoroughly test all mirror functions. Check power adjustments, turn signals if applicable, and the heating element to confirm everything works perfectly before you hit the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.